it's past due time to change the refrigerator water filter. We've been using the same water filter for about 4 years, and I just discovered the price had gone up way up. And then found GLACIER Fresh. This water filter is about half the price of the name brand and about 30% less than the generic we had been using. The packaging includes a manual and these handy stickers letting you know when you install the filter. Manufacturer states this filter removes 97% of the impurities in the water. It includes the chip, which the refrigerator uses to sense a new filter has been installed and resets the counter for replacement. Like the name brand filter, this is also NSF certified. Let's install it. Pull straight out. Insert the GLACIER Fresh with the chip facing inward. Push in. Close the door. The change filter error message automatically turned off, and now I have a glass of GLACIER fresh water.